This is a video request from Creative Redundancy. I just got this stuff on clearance and he wanted to see what it looks like open, so I opened it up. It's got this huge blade pocket knife on it, orange rubber handle. The knife's not super sharp, but it's a really big blade, so I'm going to keep this as my pocket knife. It also came with a multi-tool and a nice little belt pouch. Multi-tool is pretty sturdy. It's got saw, ruler, flathead screwdriver, whatever that is, a little serrated knife, a regular knife, Phillips screwdriver, can opener, and like I don't know what that is, but yeah, pretty cool stuff for $6.